Hey guys. Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. Morning guys. Maybe it's like you and I. Nakaunan ito eh.
Nakaunon.
Ayun.
Nakaunon.
Salvage? Salvage siya? Biasa. Kaon na na.
Oh. Nakaunon. Ako ni. Ako ni kubaon. Alam mo unon.
Oh! Tamar!
At tumilang ang kulil mo!
Si Tamar! Amin ko.
Wala na tituga. Nakom na kay masakan. Buti.
Iya, hai. Kamay hiya. Gamay lang. Gamay lang lang. Kana ra? Silaw. Dibinjet. Dibinjet. Ini apa nih? Laut.
Nah. Dyan?
Ay, niyabo na ya. Down. Down.
Kanta amigo. Amigo malakot ng vlog guys.
Hindi na nila amigo.
Tapos ako glay ha, amigo beto no. Si Kiyo di may gawin no.
Kan mo na.
namukos.
Ako yatiyo.
Si Lolo, balik ka muna, taon mo. Na. Yan lang taon dong. Kaya unahan sa ito na mo, kasi yung mga uwan. Dami na dilitin dong. Ngayon, kape lang dong. Painit lang. Nangyapit sila. Nangutay na kayo si Lolo. Yung guys, humay, mag-igat-igat pa. Niki, naghuman ani, malingot ang kanal.
Uy, ayaw taon. Ay, kay babae na. Na, buing na. Guys, you see over there, there's a bunch of chickens. Probably. I think mga, ano, 6 or 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Hala, padulong ngayong ulan. Patay ka, patagan ang muli.
They're coming na, oh. Ay, na. Okay, bye. Let's go, Glay.
Hey guys, Jack Amanda now here. Day 4 of this never-ending storm, it seems. Raining for 4 straight days, for most of the time. Looks like we got a all-hands effort to save the rice farm out here, or the rice field. That's just one of many that have just been completely blown down. You saw in Lynn's video yesterday and some of mine from even 2 weeks ago. But they're putting the rice together, propping it up, trying to save the field. Because so much of it, I'd say a good 10 or 15, possibly 20% of all the fields in our area have been blown down. I don't know if that's just happened, but across the street there, the front of that house blew out up there near the roof. Yesterday we lost the PDLT or PLDT fiber optic cable. They finally came by and fixed that last night. We were out of power again for most of yesterday. It's real good times in the last 4 days, guys. But still not complaining. It's what happens. It's called life. Later on, if it stops raining again, I'll go down and check out the rest of the fields down the way there. I'm not sure if I'll take the dogs out for a walk or just ride my scooter, depending on the condition. But slowing down, that's good. It's an absolute mess here lately, guys. Hello. How you doing? Morning. Folks heading to church. Like I said, it's Sunday morning. They're inside having breakfast now. Yeah. That's it, guys. It's an absolute mess. No real damage to the house. You watched the video last night. The wind was coming down sideways all day yesterday, and coming. It was just making a pool inside the top of the house there. And started coming down the stairs. Of course, we didn't notice it until the house was soaked. What? I said the house was soaked before we even noticed that the rain was seeping inside the house. I said the door is 10 feet underneath the 10 feet underneath the top of the roof there, or the top of the balcony, coming down sideways, just like it was on the front porch the other day. The real disturbing thing for me is I missed my baseball game live yesterday. I had to watch it later on, early evening yesterday. Watch an archive game. Go take a walk and assess the damage. What are you doing? Hey! More damaged fields over here. Just continues, boy. Look at this. Got a little break in the rain. Another, at least till the next band comes over. You can see how much damage to the rice. Like I said, they're working on propping it up. I don't know how much they can save. Hopefully enough. Get them through the next crop. Man, it's devastation. Hardy. Where's she at? See it over here, both sides of the road, wind just blew these fields down. It's a shame. What are you doing? Huh? Sides of the field looks like all the way down. Another field that's already been harvested. Just to salvage what they can salvage. Devastation, guys. Hey! Hello!
Hello.
Almost looks like tornado damage coming through here. everywhere though. Complete field blowing down. Heidi. Dummy. See what? Okra and corn. Man, this whole field's down. Most of that field's down. Two good crops when I got here to this, guys. Like I said, I don't know how much they can salvage here. Hopefully enough. Man. One thing, if the fields were flooded, destroying the rice, but blowing it down like this, I mean, it's got to be a lot of loss. And if it's here, it's all the way up, because these rice fields just go on and on, guys. You maybe put the people out in the field to prop them up like we have down here, and I'll show you when we get down here. But that's a lot of manpower it takes to put one of these fields back on the proper setting. And even that's got to come with some loss, I would assume. Significant. Buddy, what are you doing? I usually hate the water. Oh. And that's what they were doing, guys. They're propping the fields up, and they did it. This is what they were working on the other day. They put it all up, it's got torn down again. They said they propped it all up and then it's getting torn down again. Means they have to get out here and do it again? Ay, ay, ay. Glad I have no stake in this. And you can see this is what they did just the other day before these big storms rolled in. They tied all these stalks up, only to be knocked right back the hell down. What a shame. What a shame, guys. Yeah. Heidi doesn't care. She'll go right through the puddles now. Here, take her. Take her.
No, no, no.
Take her.
Get me.
No, you take that. You take her.
No.
Go ahead. She's all right.
No.
She won't do anything.
Hello. 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 Kasugay mo lakas, daddy.
Haro. Apa isa kahakalo.
Malay magbalay-balay.
Hindi ko magduolra.
Philippines. Philippines and hello. Americano, Americano. Shut up! Sabayan ka na ko bato ron. Sabayan!
Dali na to. Training na.
Sa raining Manila na.
No way. Linda na to, malagad. It's raining na. Hala!
Bala nang ligo niya.
God.
Oh my God! Labaan, nakiyo.
You got any stake in these fields?
Yeah, we try to recover that rice because we need time to harvest
Yeah.
because the harvester was dry.
Heidi!
After dry and start to harvest.
Nanay!
Tsunami ay.
Okay, si Heidi. Hi guys.
Rain or shine.
A baby shine, shine, shine. It's raining on me now. It's raining on me now. Nalagpot ang gopo. Tena. Nalagpot ko. Nalagpot ang gopo.
Kapoy.
Marigold! Nasaan na si Ate Marigold? Kasi
Kapoy.
already coming down.
Let's go.
Let's go. Yeah. Hello. Hello, sakay man ng di makita na. Lingan. Isda tulingan. Isda tulingan. Isda tulingan. Isda tulingan. Isda tulingan. Tulingan. Isda tulingan. Isda tungulan. Tulingan. Isda tulingan. 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 Isda tulingan. Tulingan. Isda tulingan. Tulingan. Isda tulingan. Isda tulingan. Yes, butterfly. Loh, wait lang. Tay!
One. Now the sun's out, guys. At least for about 2 minutes anyway. Yeah, not even 2 minutes. Not even 2 minutes. What are you doing? What are you doing? Stop. Alright guys, I'll go outside and show you what they were working on all morning to salvage this field across the road from us. Got the wood cutter out there cutting up the firewood. This was the field that Lynn showed you yesterday, just like the one down the road there. But they've tied everything up, hoping to salvage the field here. A good idea of how they do it. Tie it up in bundles, hoping it still grows. And I showed you down the street there, the ones that they did this to last week, already blown down again. Hopefully that won't happen this time. This whole field was blown down. They're salvaging some of it. Hopefully a significant portion of it. We'll see how that turns out. Walk down to how strong the river is down here. ducks out here. Yeah, irrigation well's holding up good. Not even high as usual. Sure, flood controls have something to do with that. Not fully open on the canal, or they are fully open, I don't know. I don't know. Not an irrigation canal expert. Although I'm sure if you ask some of these advice channels, they'll be glad to give you all the proper advice. Yeah, right. Watching one the other day. And it's funny. Gentleman sitting there talking. And this is a Filipino, guys. He's sitting there giving his advice about Baguio, when it's pretty evident he's never been there either. He was talking about putting water out and watching it freeze in Baguio. I was like, okay, let me check this one out. So I go right to Google. Google, guys, imagine that. Google. The lowest recorded temperature in Baguio history was 6.3 degrees Celsius, guys. That's 43 degrees Fahrenheit. And this is a guy that so many people ponder and come to the Philippines. This is the advice you're taking, guys. Now, last time I checked, water freezes at 0 degrees Celsius and 32 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 10 degrees colder than the highest recorded temperature in Baguio history. And this is a guy giving advice. That's your advice giver, guys. Huh. I think I could do better. These are the experts out there. People intently listening to them, minding every word that they're telling you, people. So all they do is fool you full of crap and bullshit. Alright guys, well, I'll still be recording throughout the day, but I'll close this video down. Let you know, thanks for watching. Like I said, prayers go out to these farmers here. Hope they do the best that they can. Hopefully they won't have the same problem. So take care, guys. I'm Jack and I'm out.